Welcome back. This is Public and Private International Law, Chapter 9, Part 2. So what about the different types of arbitration and the various arbitration institutions? First of all, we have to distinguish between so-called ad hoc arbitration and institutional arbitration. Ad hoc arbitration means that proceedings are administered by the arbitral tribunal itself. There is no support from any institution. The other type of arbitration is institutional arbitration, which means that proceedings are conducted under the auspices of an arbitration institution that provides arbitration rules and administrative support. This offers many advantages, which is why it is most popular today. There are many different arbitration institutions competing with each other throughout the world. On the picture, you have some of the most prominent. International commercial arbitration is also a business in itself. All of these arbitration institutions try to attract arbitration business, and there is quite fierce competition between them. The leading arbitration institutions are located in different parts of the world. And in addition to competing institutions, there is also a vivid competition between the major arbitration places of the world. May I invite you on a tour of the world's top arbitration centers? AIAC, Asian International Arbitration Center, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. SCC, Arbitration Institute of the Stockholm Chamber of Commerce, Stockholm, Sweden. LCIA, London Court of Arbitration, London, United Kingdom. DIAC, Dubai International Arbitration Center, United Arab Emirates. VIAC, Vienna International Arbitration Center, Austria. CAS, Court of Arbitration for Sport, Lausanne, Switzerland. ICC, International Court of Arbitration, International Chamber of Commerce, Paris, France. CRCICA, the Cairo Regional Center for International Commercial Arbitration, Egypt. NYIAC, New York International Arbitration Center, United States of America. WIPO, Arbitration and Mediation Center, World Intellectual Property Organization, Geneva, Switzerland. CITAC, China International Economic and Trade Arbitration Commission, Beijing, People's Republic of China. DIS, Deutsche Institution für Schiedsgerichtsbarkeit, German Institute for Arbitration, Bonn, Germany. SHIAC, Shanghai International Arbitration Center, People's Republic of China. SIAC, Singapore International Arbitration Center. HKIAC, Hong Kong International Arbitration Center. And back to Switzerland, SCAI, Swiss Chambers Arbitration Institution, Geneva, Switzerland. So what are your preferences? May KL be your favorite? Or do you prefer Stockholm? Rather London? What about Dubai? Why not Vienna? What else in sport than the CAS? Is there any better than the ICC? Do you have a focus on the Middle East? Are you in love with New York City? Or are you looking for expertise in intellectual property? Or are you doing business in China? Why not opt for German quality? Or would you prefer to go to Shanghai? And why not choose Singapore? But isn't Hong Kong fascinating? Or maybe you would rather prefer a solid Swiss-style arbitration. This is a difficult choice, isn't it? So many attractive options. How to sort it all out? Well, I suggest that you take to the websites. And here is your task. Visit the websites of 5 arbitration institutions of your choice and look for each one's specific advantages, which will give you a sense of what are the typical arguments for promoting arbitration institutions.